Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to use Gemini in Google Sheet. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is, can we use the Gemini in our sheet? So let's try it out. As you can see now, I am on the Google Gemini. So let me head over to the Google Sheet. In the new tab, I will write Sheet. You will see the main website of Google Sheets. Simply click on it to get access of your. Here I will tap on the option Sign In. My account was already signed in, so that's why you can see I redirected to the sheet page where I can use some previous template or I can use a blank spreadsheet. So, in order to use any of these, click in that in which you want to use, just like I will choose monthly budget. Now you can see I have got access to the monthly budget sheet. Do whatever you want. Now, how can I use Gemini? On the left top, you will see different options like Tools, Data Extension, and Help. If I click on Extension, then we can add extension. But how can we add Google Gemini to our sheet? So, in order to use it, take a look on the right top, you will see an icon. This is called Google Gemini. So just click on it. Now, here you can see generate your next big idea with Gemini in Gmail doc or more. Here you will see some more thing. In order to try it out, I need to click here. So it means in order to use what I have to do, I need to purchase the plan of Google Gemini. If you want to purchase, click on the option Get Offer, click on the option Agree, and it will ask to choose a payment method by which you want to pay. So choose your payment method which you prefer. And then Google Gemini will be in your Google Sheet and you can use it easily. And with the help of AI, you can improve your work on Sheet. And that's it.